So it's still Sunday, September 20th, 2020. I'm gonna put up the hose hanger that I didn't or couldn't put up a couple months back. Going to use the extension cord there with the help of my new tool shop hammer drill just reviewed. I got my concrete screws somewhere in this area, so let's get started. Okay, I forget my 5/32 drill bit from Skill, so I'll be using this. So here we go. All right, return to the scene of the crime. I think I'm gonna put one actually here, and then maybe put another one here for the backyard area. So somewhere in here, and then over here. Shouldn't take long. All right, first I'm gonna mark it. I'm only gonna put up 3 concrete screws. I think here will be okay. Tried to force those screws in. I'll figure it out. It should still work though. Folks, it went right through. No problem. Went right through. Wow. Exactly what I needed. I just want to show you it's I mean, and on this hole, the top, when I had it on reverse and didn't realize that it still went through. So if you need to get through brick and you're just hanging a hose hanger or some type of concrete screws, I mean, this definitely, really exceeded my expectations. It really did. So let's put the hose hanger up. Since it has the drill feature, might as well take advantage and use this to put the anchor screws in the brick. So let's give it a try. Down low. So I don't think I need that. I won't need that much power when it comes to screwing in the screws. So turned it down a bit. Well, I had to turn the wrong way, so I had to make some new markings. I have to drill some more holes. It's actually supposed to go like this, okay, and not like this. So no biggie. Just take me another minute to put the holes in the brick. Again, I don't really have to show you how well it does when it comes to drilling, but again, I'll just give you a demonstration. Should be nothing at all, nothing to it. So it was a success. I stripped. I already had almost somewhat of an existing hole in this area, but this holds it up great. It's no problem. So did the job. Now, this is it's worth the 20 bucks. I don't know how long this is gonna last. Do my best to take care of it, but definitely a keeper. So, all right. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a good day. Bye.